je dis moi, demain si Dieu veut, c'est Saint-Valentin, pas vrai?
Oui.
So, ça veut dire que, en pile là, nous là, bon, nous est en rouge, et nous avons loulou là en rose.
Love.
Moi, son bon bagay vol net top fait. Bah, Saint-Valentin, ça, moi, je ne believe là-dedans. Parce que moi, nous-mêmes, bon, qui célèbre Saint-Valentin, qui me fait mal pour nous, spécialement nous-mêmes, nègres. Nous ne pas rien pour nous-mêmes. Et so, qui cadeau pour le bail nègre pour Saint-Valentin là?
Whatever he wants.
Qui bagay pour le bail, pour le bail déjà?
Whatever he wants.
That's a political answer.
Whatever he wants.
So, Mano, qui sont pour le bail?
Yes, sir.
Qui sont pour le bail?
Ou mande loulou ça le
No, that's what the fact. N'oubliez pas que c'est pas pour femme, c'est pour garçon, c'est garçon pour bail.
Valentine's Day, men give?
Et pas garçon pour bail?
Both.
I think it's
both
both.
sides.
Yeah.
Both sides? Ok,
No,
comme
yeah.
nous célébrons Saint-Valentin, je ne sais pas comment bagay ça. Là, nous faisons, année passée, qui ça nous fait? Qui ça nous fait, Mano?
Sometimes, I mean, you just, m'pas faire rien de spécial, non? Just c'est la caille, moi, font un petit dîner, et puis met ton petit baleine, et puis, si mon al dormi, parce que life gotta go on. Si mon al dormi, et puis, shida dans le living room, moi, madame, moi, get a little intimate time, that's all. Manger, relax. I said, you know.
So, qui sont les faits qui différent avec jour avant?
Bon, technically, pas rien pour faire, non? Saint-Valentin, on suppose célébrer every day. Et pour gagner madame ou dame ou Saint-Valentin, et même j'ai pas madame ou fleur, elle va obliger Saint-Valentin, elle doit for any reason.
So why that Saint-Valentin thing? Why that pressure though?
I mean, it's même genre for Christmas, pour qu'ils soient buy mon gift on Christmas. You can give them gift every day.
Buy vol net. Pour moi, buy vol net.
I mean, it's a celebration of love.
Buy to keep people broke, to keep black people broker.
It's a celebration of love.
What? Of what?
Of love. I mean, I get it. If you're not into it, you're not married, you're not celebrating love. I get it, but some people do.
So you guys celebrating?
Give us that. Listen, give us that day. You can bash love any other day, but not today.
Okay.
How's that?
All right. So what about you?
All right, thank you.
So what's up with you?
Me, tomorrow, I want to do the same thing I do every day, man.
Like what? Nothing.
But he's celebrating Valentine's every day.
Every day.
That's the thing.
I'm with you every day.
I know.
I'm gonna take my wife to lunch, and I wake up and make breakfast for everybody. No school tomorrow. For
That's
my
right.
Well, I know when it's come to you the one that cook in your house.
So no,
So that mean like, well, I know your wife cook, but you cook a lot in your
yeah.
house.
So they will say.
So tomorrow, so you're not gonna be cooking tomorrow. You the one that's
I'm
cooking.
cooking breakfast tomorrow.
Oh, you cooking
Everybody.
breakfast tomorrow? So what about
There
this
we go.
morning? What did you do?
This morning, my wife.
You cook breakfast this
No,
morning,
she
right?
made breakfast this
Oh,
morning.
she made breakfast this morning.
Tomorrow, there's no school tomorrow, so everybody will be asleep. I get up
Oh, okay. There's no school tomorrow?
for the kids now.
There's no school tomorrow?
No,
Oh, then your Valentine's screwed then.
no, it's not. We do it every day. It's the same thing.
Yeah.
I wake up, I'll make some pink grits.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm just trying to because I'm trying
Wow.
I'm trying to see if I can get some joy out of it without being in it. So that's the reason I'm
Trust me, you're gonna
Well,
celebrate.
the first
Oh,
thing
you out
you
of
need
your
to
mind.
do, the
No.
first thing you need to do to get some joy out of it, stop being a hater and embrace the situation.
So Lulu,
You know?
Yes.
I'm waiting for that one.
Last year I didn't do anything because I didn't have no man last year.
There we go.
So this year you make sure you have a man just for that.
Nah, but technically I don't celebrate Valentine's Day because
Okay.
of its history and where it comes from.
Oh,
but
okay.
I'm not hating on it. That's why I'm wearing the.
So
the
but
plaza I have.
you just go with the flow
I just go with the flow.
because somebody's spending the money on you.
That's not why.
I'm just asking. I mean, like, okay, wow. To me, it's a lot of pressure.
It's not always about money.
It's not.
No.
It's
Believe
not
me.
intimacy.
Believe me. The chocolate is not free.
I have Valentine's every day, so I'm okay.
The chocolate is
That's
not
right.
free. It's always about money.
But
Any
no, but
holiday
listen.
inside the United States of America is about money.
Yeah, but
Because if you don't do it, the other person get pissed at you.
it could be what
As a matter of fact, if you don't do nothing for your wife tomorrow, you won't get none.
What I'm saying, you can't very day.
I mean,
If you don't do
it's
it
the
tomorrow, don't you think you will be sleeping on the couch, right?
No. Well,
Yes.
I'll be sleeping on the couch.
Yes.
Dude, I gotta go to work tomorrow, and as far as
So
I'm
you sleep on
concerned,
the
I get
couch
stuck at-
anyway.
Oh, there we go. So I might get stuck. At work and get back late. Sometimes that happens.
But the questions
yeah.
I'm asking if you do not do anything for your wife tomorrow, would you be happy?
If I wake up and say Happy Valentine's Day, she'll be happy.
No,
I
if you don't
have
say
to do
nothing.
anything.
My thing is,
I
if
don't
you don't
have
say
to-
nothing.
You don't have to do anything.
But listen
don't
to
have
what I'm
to
saying.
say anything.
Okay, listen. Now don't fool yourself. Listen to me. If you wake up tomorrow, Valentine's Day tomorrow, you wake up and you don't say nothing to your wife, you go as the day as usual, routine as usual, would you be happy?
But
Then don't bump
it's
me.
not
I said,
it's
you
not
know your
unusual.
wife. Listen,
Anderson,
you
it's
know
not
your
unusual.
wife. I just
Hey.
want to know. No, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying, dude, I'm
Why
not
would
trying
I
to get
go-
you in trouble with your wife. All I'm
Listen,
saying is, I just
why
want to
would I
know.
go- Why would I go about it like a normal day when it's not a normal day? It's Valentine's.
Okay, but I understand where you're coming from.
So therefore, it's a pressure.
There has
It's a
been
pressure.
relationships that
I
have been
can wake
broken
up-
because of that.
You see, Stanley.
There is some pressure.
Well, you know what? Let's welcome Stanley on the show. Let's welcome Stanley on the show before we get into the. Stanley, welcome.
Yes.
Let me ask you a question. So, you're gonna be into Valentine's tomorrow, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if
Definitely.
you wake up tomorrow, you go like day as usual, like it's not
Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day. Would your wife be happy with you?
I'm sure she won't be happy. I'm sure
Okay,
she'll
that's
be happy
it.
that
At
I
least you're honest with
acknowledge-
yourself.
That I acknowledge the day and that I make her feel special
So-
on that day. Doesn't have to be anything big, right? But definitely that we remember that, why we're together, why we love each other. Make
So
a
isn't
little
that what you guys
gesture.
do? Didn't you do that today?
Well, I mean,
No.
today is,
I'm just checking.
yeah, but you make it a little extra special on Valentine's Day. It's a special day.
What is-
you got to.
What is extra special about it?
You take the wife out to dinner. You get some flowers.
So it's
you know,
it's about money.
Huh?
You
So
make your
money is about money.
Well, I mean, one of the way that men usually show love
It's money.
is by spending their time, energy, and money on women.
You see, son, now this is honest.
my wife is my wife. My wife is my wife. She works hard. She takes care of the home and the family, and she plays an important role in my life. I like to make sure that I show her that I appreciate her.
So it's a
That's all.
so Valentine's Day is a pressure.
It's a
I mean,
pressure,
it's
Anderson.
not a pressure. I don't have to do anything.
Yes, you do.
But I choose to do
No.
something.
Yes,
But
you
I'm
do.
sh- I'm
You
sure. I'm
just said
sure.
it. You just said that she would not be happy, and your job is to keep her happy. So it's a pressure in itself to keep her happy.
Anderson.
Well, I mean, listen.
You know what,
I don't
guys?
have-
That's
like
not.
I said,
We're gonna move on from
Let's
this topic.
Move on from this topic. I'm not gonna
We're
have
moving
anybody
on.
having sleeping in the couch in my count. You understand? I'm just trying to understand it because I haven't been in it. I mean, it's not something that I believe in. Never in my life. Like, get into Valentine, doesn't matter relationship or not. So
And why are you hating on people?
I'm not
No
hating.
hating.
I'm not hating. I'm trying to understand.
No.
I'm trying to understand.
No hating. We're gonna move on from this topic.
I'm trying to understand what
You
you
guys
guys.
do
Let
what
me say
you do
one
for
last
your.
thing. Let me say one last thing. Sometimes there's certain things in life. It's easier for you to go with the flow. Just
go with the flow.
That's it. I
That's
understand.
it.
That's
You
That's
it.
are-
it.
You are a very wise man.
He's a wise man, yes.
man.
Guy like Mano.
You know,
Oh,
I gotta
Mano
call you
is
more
so
often.
difficult,
I'm
man.
gonna start calling you Stanley. Stanley wise.
That's it.
Mano, be a politician when it's come to women, okay?
There's no okay, Anderson. Let me say one last thing. If I wake up tomorrow morning, I kiss my wife and say Happy Valentine's Day, sweetie. Even if I don't do anything, she'll be happy. But if I wake up and leave like nothing,
Just like your
Yes,
regular
I
day.
say, oh.
Like a regular day.
like a regular day,
It's a
because it's not a regular day.
Then guess
it's
what?
Valentine's Day. For some people, it's more important than others,
It's a
and
pressure.
especially for women.
I
That's
feel-
all I'm saying.
So there be more pressure.
Okay, so
It's a
Lulu,
pressure.
look
Yes.
at Lulu for example, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Lulu, you go and spend time and energy. Look at your hair; it's beautiful, right?
Thank you.
If your husband walk into the house and don't even acknowledge your hair, how would that make you feel? I mean, I'm not saying that will make you feel bad, but it would be nice for him to say, "Wow,
I like your hair."
You look nice."
Well,
Exactly.
depends. That depends what is going.
Definitely.
So if you ever got
He change things around. That's how you change it. You change things.
Mano, Dubai. What's what Diala? Kunya si monsieur va dire ça la fâché.
That's
Parce que
not
ou
true.
que t'en dit belle, cheveux à belle. Ou n'a pas dit ouais, mais moi non juste bosse que toi
I understand what you mean.
moi-même.
Because when I got it done, that was the first thing that I said. Do you like my hair?
All right, can we move on?
That's it.
Can we get into the real show now? Because
right.
I just did not want to miss that Valentine vibe.